Now sis, this one's cute. Super duper cute. Yes, let me know what you think of this one. To my channel. So today in this video I got a new wig to share with you, and it is from Nadula hair. Now I stumbled upon Nadula some time ago, like years ago. Queen Naja was reviewing their hair, and she produced quite a few reviews for them, and she spoke really good things of them, because at one point she was only wearing Nadula hair. Now I don't know if that's still the case, but the company is pretty reputable. So here it is. I have the chance to review this one for you. Now I do have something kind of very similar to this one, but nonetheless I can always appreciate a good wig. Now this is the unit right here. It is a 22-inch mixed browns and blondes wig. I told you it was very similar to something that I've already reviewed. It is Brazilian hair in the length 22 inches, but we're gonna get to that one. Let's go ahead and get into the contents. Let's see what they send over with the purchase. Now y'all know I'm all about my freebies and my goodies. I love getting free things, so let's see what we got. Now inside it looks like a little pouchy pouch. You can put your makeup products in here. I don't know if you carry around wig needs, maybe you carry around glue, tape, gel, whatever. All of that could fit in here. There is an edge brush slash comb combo. Does that fit in here? Girl, yes, it fits. So you can carry around your wig needs in here should you want to. Okay, what else we got? Looks like a little mirror. Okay, man, this is so cute. Like a little double-sided mirror. Okay, really nice. That's cute to keep in your little pouchy pouch, girl. Alright, wig caps. You can never get enough of wig caps. And they did send the nudie beigey ones, which is good. And those are both 2-packs. So girl, I got 4 new wig caps. A headband, okay. Should you want to wear a headband with your units, you got that option because they sent you a cute one. And a blinky bling hair clip. That's cute. Let's open it. Let's get a closer look at it. Bling bling. Super cute, okay? Alright, thank you, Nadula. Thank you. And a brush. Now, I've seen the natural girls in the natural community using these after they wash their natural hair to comb it out. That's cute. Okay, then. Very nice. All of these are really great gifts. Okay, Nadula, you outdid yourself. Thank you. Now let's go ahead and get into the units. Now like I said, this one's 22 inches. She's Brazilian straight. Okay, Brazilian straight unit. The colors are beautiful. Yes. Okay, so this is like one of their current promotions. I just think it is so pretty. I love the colors. I just love these colors. It is just so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Now, as mentioned before, this is a lace closure wig, and by lace closure, you just get a closure piece here. That's all you get. This is all the lace on that one, which makes this one super easy to install because this is all the lace you have to cut off. Bam, just that little bit. And then it has like the built-in stocking cap here to give you the scalp illusion look. Really great. They thought of everything. So this one's like perfect. The only thing you have to do is clip your little lace and you're good to go. So that's what I'm going to do. Is cut off my lace, and even though we only have what looks about 2 1/4 of an inch piece of lace, I'm going to cut it right now. I could put this on my head and cut that. I could trust myself doing this little piece, but anything longer than that, girl, no. I like to take my time and cut this lace while holding my unit in my hand. I ain't got time to be messing up my wig. Alright, so I've cut my lace. This is how it looks now that it's cut. Now she is ready to be applied to the head, and you don't need any glues, tapes, this or that for this wig. It just applies. You do have an adjustable strap inside along with your comb in the back, girl. That's all you need for this unit. Super duper simple. Let's go ahead and put it on. Alright guys, she is cute. I am back with her own, girl, ready to go. So cute. Feeling the colors, so pretty. I feel like though I've reviewed something really similar to this one kind of recently, I feel like it has a more blonde in the front, which I am loving. I am really loving the chunky layers of blonde in the front. Super cute. I really do love this unit. Let me show you the back, show you how long it is. Yeah, she's very nice, and I haven't heat styled it. I haven't put any heat on it as of yet at all, but this is the length. Alright, but the hair is really nice. She's super flowy, pretty Brazilian human hair, so you can heat style it or whatever you want to, if you want to flat iron it a bit more. But I like the look of it right now. I love an effortless look. So cute. Let me know what you think. This one is so cute. Is this a wig that you can see in your human hair wig collection or no? Loving it. Super duper affordable. All the information will be down below in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. Bye.